Get out. Get. God, nothing ever works for me. Alright, but everything looks almost complete. We got the lemonade. We got the extra lemonade. We got little stuff here. What do we need? We're gonna need more flowers. That's when we're gonna need flowers. Okay, where's Luigi? Luigi, what are you doing?
No, nothing.
What's this?
I was reading La Opinion. Hey, what'd you do that for?
Because I'm giving you a mission, Luigi.
But I was learning Espanol.
I don't care what you're learning. Besides, you don't even learn Spanish. You can't even learn Spanish. And if you did learn Spanish, you can't learn it from a newspaper, stupid idiot.
25 cents on that.
Alright, just come on. I'm giving you a mission, Luigi. So now you're gonna have to pay attention, okay? Okay. Okay, okay. Let's see these flowers right here?
Yeah.
Okay, you're gonna have to go in our garden and you're gonna have to get more flowers, okay?
Oh, okay. What do we need it for?
Because we needed everything to be nice and perfect, okay, for the lemonade party.
Okay.
Yeah, so get over there.
Okay, I'll go get lemonade.
Okay, just go. Come on, go.
I'll go get the lemonade.
Alright. What?
I'm so scared about you.
Why?
You're outside and I'm scared.
Luigi, there is no birds or no raccoons, or there might be hippos, but that might be it. So, just go, okay? Just go do it.
Okay.
Insane. Be careful of those hippos. They might...
Oh yeah, I'm getting flowers.
Yeah, go get flowers.
Okay.
Go get flowers.
I'm going to get flowers for my brother. This is Luigi's mission to go get a flower. I'm kind of scared right now. Oh, I got my binoculars. I'm gonna search for that bird. He likes to kill me. Or he's trying to kill me. This far. I don't see him. There's a red thing over there, but hopefully it's just a leaf. And time to go get my flowers. Oh, look at all these beautiful flowers. Oh, let me try and get one. I can't pick the flower. I get it. Ooh, there's a nice little flower over here. I'm gonna get the flower. Oh, and it's already picked for me because I don't need to pick it up off the ground. Now time for me to go back home. I'm gonna go see Mario. Time for me to smell my roses.
Yeah. Luigi, what are you crying about? What the? Luigi, what the? It's my games! What's going on with my games over here? What the? What are you whining about? Oh, look at it, it's a little bird. Isn't he cute and round and plump? He's all chubby and plumpy.
You mean bird? It just touch me. I just get my feelings. He's hurting me.
No, he's not. He looks like a good birdie. Aren't you the good birdie?
Kill that thing.
No. You know what? You want to... I have a perfect idea. Birdie, do you want to come live with us? Okay. We have a bird cage. We have a bird cage for you and everything. Do you like birds? And okay, so.
I don't want to keep this thing.
Well, you know what? We're gonna keep it.
Stupid bird. Stop the ball.
Don't hurt him. He's red like me, so we're gonna keep him. Oh my God, Luigi is so retarded.